Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today we are going to do QuickBook Online ProAdvisor certification 2022 and 23 and 24. Today day it is 6 November 2023. So this is the newest version of ProAdvisor certification. So let's start with section number 1, QuickBook Online certification. So question number 1 is Diana Delight wants to quickly check what apps client is connected to and open that client's QuickBook Online company from her dashboard. So where can she see which apps are connected to the client's accounts from within the QuickBook Online company? So the correct answer of this question is overview and company setup. Question number 2. Brian just completed a client need assessment and his client confirmed that she will require profitability tracking and need to create budgets and purchase order in her accounting solution. What is the minimum QuickBook Online version suitable for Brian clients? So option number B, QuickBook Online Plus is the correct answer. So let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. Which section in the new client checklist helps you to understand your client needs to determine the feature and solution required? So question number 3 answer is client need assessment. If anyone have question, they can just comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. Live chat is on, you can chat here. Okay, so let's move to question number 4. What are the 2 billing options you can choose from setting up QuickBook Online subscription from QuickBook Online accountant for which your client is responsible for paying? Direct discounts, ProAdvisor discounts. Which 3 of these features are benefit of QuickBook Online payroll premium? QuickBook Online subscription from QuickBook Online accounted for which expert your client is review, for paying. Same day direct deposits, direct discounts, and access to QuickBook Online time premium. Susan has just complained that there are too many accounts to choose from QuickBook Online in her chart of account. What are the 2 ways you clean up her chart of accounts to reduce the number of accounts to show? Simple, there are 2 ways. They can merge duplicate account and make account inactive. Question: before merging 2 sub account, which 2 of these need to be true? The parent account name is same. The name are spelled the same. Question number 8. Where can you enable account number for chart of account? The advanced tab in account and setting. Which statement is true when importing list in QuickBook Online? When importing list, you can choose override product and services with identical names. When importing customer for the first time, which of these file can you use to re-import the customers list? Excel. Which 4 lists can you choose directly if imported into QuickBook Online from Excel? Vendor, chart of account, product and services, customers. Where do you customize QuickBooks Online to show product and services on sale form? The Sale tab in Account and Setting. There are four types to choose from in QuickBooks Online. Select the correct answer, match the pair. So the product that are bought and sold where it is necessary to track quantities on hand, inventory, and this the product bought and sold where it is not non-inventory. This includes services that are provided to customers such as emergency services, and this collection of product and services are sold together such as installation of product includes both labor and material bundles. Question number 14. Which two action can be performed on a vendor in Vendor Center in QuickBooks Online? So we can do edit the vendor and also make inactive. Question number 15. Which two batch action can be performed in the Customer Center in QuickBooks Online? Assign customer name, make inactive. So first section done. If anyone have any question, you can just send me SMS or comment below. I will respond you. Hello, Ankur Sharma. Hello, how are you? Arshad Shazad, welcome. Hi. So let's start section number 2. Section number 2, question number 1 is a client has two checking account, two different account. Which two of these can you do customize the paying? Add a bank name and rearrange the order of the titles. Question number 2, which statement are true when an account is disconnected from bank feeds in QuickBooks Online? Transactions that have not been categorized yet will be removed from my tool. Your client has asked how to set up a user in QuickBooks Online plus company to give access to create invoice but not print. What user type and setting should you choose when you add the employee? Standard limited customer only. Your client sell a taxable item and ship it to customer that is out of state. There is no sale tax agency setting up for the state. What sale tax rate will QuickBooks Online apply? The customer rate based on location. Question number 5. If you think sale tax is not being calculated correctly, which of these should you verify?
No.
That the correct tax category is selected
No.
and the tax is being calculated on this correct address. Question number 6. Where should a client initiate setup in QuickBooks Online payments? The Payments tab in Account and Setting. Question number 7. Using QuickBooks Online Bill Pay, what are the two ways to fund payment to vendors? SEH, bank transfer, credit card. Question number 8. What are the three benefits of using app with QuickBooks Online? They can solve industry specific needs. They can be provide additional insights into various parts of business. They can reduce the time spent on data entry. Question number 9. When you are using QuickBooks Online Accountant, where you can view apps that are connected to the client QuickBooks Online. First, option number D, apps, clients apps. Question number 10. What are the three sections in the Content tab of Custom Form Style Tools? Header, footer, and table. Question number 11. From here, how can you access and create custom fields in QuickBooks Online? Gear icon and custom fields. Which type of transaction cannot be tagged within QuickBooks Online? Journal entry. Question number 10. Jan has just recorded customer payments again, open invoice and doesn't see the payments on the bank account deposit screen. What field should she review on the receive payment screen? Payment method. Question number 14. What are the 4 status that can be assigned to an estimates in QuickBooks Online? Close, accepted, pending, rejected. Question: a client has created an estimate in QuickBooks Online, plus they have been selected copy to purchase order. Why might a certain product and services item from estimates not appear on product and services? The product item doesn't have I purchased this product from a vendor checked. Question number 16. How would you create a new estimates in QuickBooks Online? Plus new and estimates. What should you do to streamline the purchasing process once the customer approves an estimates? Create purchase order from an estimates. So guys, section number 2 have been done. Now we are moving towards section number 3. Section number 3, question number 1. Heather wants to help clients and out a customer statements that reflects all the open elements in 360. Which statement type should you choose? Open item. What are the 2 ways to start a credit memos in QuickBooks Online? Plus new credit memo, all sale credit, new transaction and credit memo. What are the 2 ways to access the vendor credit screen in QuickBooks Online? Plus new vendor credit, expense center, new transaction vendor credit. In which 4 scenario would you choose a bank deposit transaction when you want to record? When your clients wants to record SBA loan amount received. In what 3 ways a payment links be delivered to a customer? From the client mobile, the client can issue a QR code. Payment links, client can send payment links to customer via email. Question number 6. If your client wants to enable auto-pay for customer, which 3 steps are required? The recurring invoice is to be set auto-enable email, set up a reduced recurring schedule, enable online payments on the recurring. Which statement is true about payment links in QuickBooks Online? You can use payment links to send requests for payments on existing invoice. To make receipt forwarding active, you need to enable unique email address within the QuickBooks Online. Where should you navigate to enable this feature? Transaction Center, receipt forwarding. Which statement about adjusting transaction is true? Only accountant user can create adjusting journal entries. The pay down credit pie feature can be found in the area of QuickBooks Online, plus new in the left navigation. Which statement is true about the transfer feature? The transfer feature can be used to move funds between 2 balance sheet accounts. Which user has access to worded deleted transaction tool? Accountant user. Which user has access to worded transaction tool? Accountant user. So section number 3 done. Now we will move to section number 4. Question number 1 is when an excluded transaction is reinstated, which tabs in the bank feeds will appear under For View tab? Question number 2. Which 3 criteria can be specified in a bank rule? Description, bank account, transaction amount. Question number 3. Which 3 transaction can be used assign in rule for money out transaction? Transfer, expense, checks. Question number 4. Which 3 statements regarding bank rules are true? Bank rule can be copied, edited, or deleted. Bank rules are automatically add transaction to the register. Bank rule can be live video sheet. صدر شبرا چیزی What happens when QuickBooks Online doesn't find a rule that applies to a transaction? It tries to suggest categorize based on. Question number 6. Which 2 options are benefit of using recurring transaction feature in QuickBooks Online? You can create, you can make a receive payment, you can recurring sell receipt with QuickBooks. Which 4 transaction type can be made into recurring templates? Invoice, bill, transfer, and deposits. What is the default feature that is automatically applied when reconciling an account in the reconciliation statement ending date? Question number 9. Which statement is true about reconciliation discrepancy report? It's available and attempting reconciliation. Question number 10. Which report displays the benefit, business profit and loss in picture form? Profit and loss detail graph. Question number 11. What's used to validate the bank and credit card account balance on a balance sheet? Reconciliation report. Question number 12. Which report would you use to show the least popular products? Sale by customer, product and service summary. Question number 13. Which feature in QuickBooks Online reports allow you to customize section title in certain reports? Display column by. Question number 14. Which 3 pre-defined management report templates will a client see in their sale performance, company overview, expense performance? Question number 15. Which 2 management report template will be seen by default when accessing the client books via QuickBooks Online account? Basic company financial, expanded company financials. So guys, section number 4 have done. Now we will move towards section number 5, which will be the last section. Let's start it. So sorry. Question number 1. What four things can be done in wrap up tab of QuickBooks Online review in QuickBooks Online? Close the book, prepare reports, client create an additional to-do list, and send reports packages. Question number 2. When are 2 times you might use setup screen in QuickBooks Online? When recording the beginning balance, when making adjustment balance, What are the three of the stages in book review? Transaction review, account reconciliation, final review. Question number 4. What statement is true about additional item in book review? You can create checklist of any task you want along with the hyperlink if you available. What are the two limitations of reclassification transaction? You cannot change the accounts for inventory adjustment. You cannot change the payment bank account when reclassifying the expense transaction. An accountant user where you can access and begin reclassify transaction. Accounting tool reclassify transaction. What are the two options? Which two options are the benefit of using a closed book feature? It keeps change made after any transaction. It can prevent user from changing transaction in a closed period. Question number 8. What's the reason a client would not see the exception closing reports in Report Center? No closing date has been set. Question number 9. Denise would like for all her leads to save their notes in the club detail. Who would have access to these notes? Team member assigns to the clients. Question number 10. What are the two ways to check a client subscription level in QuickBooks Online Accountant? From the subscription and billing option, from the advanced tab, from the company setting up in the gear icon. Question number 11. You are hiring a new bookkeeper for your firm and you don't want to give him any access to the firm book. What standard rules can you assign him? Admin no access, standard no access, standard clients only. A custom rule has been created. What is the correct process for setting up recurring project for the same clients? Create any project rules. Which of these actions can client carry out in shared documents? Delete a file. So we have done all the section. Let's move towards the result. You can check all sections have been done and we are certified now. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I can assist you in all the certification like QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, QuickBooks Online Payroll, QuickBooks Online Advanced Certification, QuickBooks Desktop Certification, QuickBooks Zero Certification and Zero Payroll Certification. Thank you so much. Goodbye.